Hello everybody. Let's start today's class. It is chapter Circles, exercise 10.2, part 3. Part 3 I will start from question number 12. Actually there are two questions and assignment I have given in this part. Question number 12, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribing a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segments BD and DC into which BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are the lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. Now a triangle ABC where BC and BC is divided by BD and CD, okay, or DC at the point of contact D. A length of radius has given 4 cm. Radius of this circle is 4 cm. And this tangent, so it's divided by this. So this tangent BD is equal 8 cm. So from point B, there are two tangents drawn to the circle are equal by theorem. So therefore BE is equal to BD. It is 8 cm. It is 8 cm. Similarly, given CD is 6 cm. So CD is equal to CF. That is 6 cm. Now that is tangents. It's okay. BD and BE are two tangents from an external point to the circle. BE is equal to BD is equal to 8 cm. And similarly, CD is equal to CF is equal to 6 cm. Okay. Now we can say from point A, two tangent AF and AE. These are equal. So it is x centimeter. It is x centimeter. Okay. Now semicircle of this triangle, semi-perimeter of this triangle ABC, AB plus BC plus AC upon 2. That is AB is x plus 8, BC is 6 plus 8 and AC is equal to 6 plus x, okay, upon 2. That is coming x plus 14 centimeter. Okay. Now area of triangle S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, that is x plus 14, x plus 14 minus means S minus B, S minus C. So, okay. Now calculate it. It is coming x plus 14. It is x cancel. It is 6. It is 14 cancel only x, and there it is only 14 minus 6, it is 8. So it is by under root, it is coming as 4 under root x plus 14 into 3x, area of triangle. Now in this case, OCB plus OBA plus AOC, these three triangle together, area of these three triangle together is area of triangle ABC. Therefore, we can write it triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle OBC, area of OAB plus area of OAC. These three triangle. Now, see here. So, half base into height plus next triangle half base into height. Next triangle half base into height. These three together, it is plus I have written here. These three together is equal to area of triangle ABC. Okay. Now it is half into BC into OD. So okay, OD is, so okay, half BC into OD. Now it is half AB into OE. Half AC into OF. So okay, half is common. Calculation you can do yourself, it is no problem. It is so 4 common from here and 4 common from this side. Now it is 4 cancel, half into this under root this is, you can take the common of 2. So it is 14 plus x is equal to this. Now y squaring both sides is 14 plus x whole square is equal 14 x plus 14 into 3x. Now here 1 time 4 plus x, 14 plus x and 14 plus x will cancel. It is 14 plus x equal 3x, x is equal to 7. So okay. Now x we have got 7. So AB is equal to 8 plus 7 is equal to 15 centimeter and AC is equal to 6 plus 7, it is 13 centimeter. Okay. Next question number 13. Proof that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtended supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Quadrilateral ABCD circumscribing a circle having its center at O. AB, BC, CD and DA touches the circle, means four sides of the quadrilateral touches the circle at P, Q, R and S respectively. Okay. Figure is here. You see the figure first. It is A, B, C, D. It is a quadrilateral circumscribing the circle. Okay. Touching at P, Q, R, S. Okay. Now, as O is the external point from O, the tangent OS is equal to OP. From external point, if you draw the tangents, two tangents are equal. Similarly, DP is equal DQ. CQ is equal CR. So, okay, in this way, all the sides are, all the tangents are equal. Now, here you see D, O, AOD, AO, this point is okay. AOD, this angle. So, okay, this point is O. AOD plus BOC, these two triangles. So, okay, these two angles together is 180 degree. You have to prove. So, okay, and similarly AOB plus COD is together 180 degree. So, okay, they are supplementary angles. Now, join all these sides, you have to join it. OA, OB, OC and OD. So, okay, and OP, OQ, OR, OS, all the sides we have to join first. Then in triangle AOP, this triangle, where angle 1, and AOS, these two triangle, these two tangents are equal, and OA is the common side. Angle APO, it is 90 degree and it is also 90 degree. By RHS congruency property, these two triangles are congruent, therefore we can write angle 1 is equal angle 2. Similarly, from these two triangles, angle 7 equal 8, angle 3 equal 4, angle 5 equal 6. We can say this all. Okay. Now add this left hand side and right hand side. It's okay. 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8. 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8. It's okay. And right hand side also 3 plus 4 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. These all angles. When we add this 1 plus 8, check it, 1 plus 8 together, it is AOD, and 4 plus 5, it is BOC. 4 plus 5, BOC. Together is AOD plus BOC, okay. And same, angle 2 plus angle 3. Together is AOB. Angle 6 plus angle 7, angle COD, okay. Now, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 means all 8 angles together is 360 degree. 1 is equal to 2 we have got. So, it is instead of 1 we can write, instead of 2 we can write 2 times 1, 2 times 4, 2 times 5, 2 times 8 is equal 360 degree. So, 1 time, now if we take the 2 as a common, angle 1 plus angle 4 angle 5 plus angle 8 together 360 degree. So, angle 2 will divide it is 180 degree. That means angle 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. And these two together AOD and angle BOC together is 180 degree. So, we can say that the opposite angles are supplementary angle. This plus this equal 180 and this plus this equal 180. Okay. repeatedly you this video you see the repeatedly, otherwise at one time you can't understood it. Okay, next is one assignment I have given here. There are 5 questions. So okay, the first question, a circle is inscribed in a triangle ABC having the sides 8 cm, 10 cm, 12 cm, and find AD, BD and CF. AD, BD and CF. So okay, sorry, AD, BE and CF. Okay, these 3 parts we have to find out, and find the radius of the circle. Radius, it is the length you have to find out. For that, hints I am giving. 3 sides has given. So area of triangle by Heron's formula we can, oh no, sorry. Now it is, this is total is 10. Okay, this video's explanation I will give you. Okay, you see the questions, you try first yourself. Next time I will give you explanation. One, you join this length and this length, this triangle as same as the question number 12 it is. It's okay. Next question number 2, 3. 2's figure not drawn, you have to draw it. Question number 3, figure is here. Question number 4, its figure is given here. And question number 5, its figure is here. Okay. Thank you very much.